Hi, this is a quick screencast to highlight the issue of where the control panel is in our hosting, which is what you require. So logging in with the details that I provide you in the message, it's simply a case of being in the dashboard, going to Manage Hosting, coming over to Pro Web Hosting, coming over to Manage Hosting, and then coming down to familyboats.com.au, clicking on Manage, then navigating to cPanel, and then from there you are in. So while I can't give you the username and password directly for this account because I don't know it, I can provide this method so that you can get in and control the cPanel from here. So if you've got any questions, please let me know. Thanks, cheers.